Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable passwordless access using Google Password Manager, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable passwordless access using Google Password Manager, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Password Manager website. Sign in with your Google account credentials. Once signed in, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You may be prompted to verify your identity or complete two-factor authentication. After verification, you will see an option to set up passwordless sign-in. Click on the Turn On button next to Passwordless Access. Follow the instructions to set up the Google Authenticator app if you haven't done so already. Download and install the Google Authenticator app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to set it up. In the Google Password Manager, you'll find a setup QR code. In the Google Authenticator app, select Scan a QR code to add your account. Point your camera at the QR code on your screen to link your Google account. After linking the account, you will receive a verification code in the Authenticator app. Enter this code back into the Google Password Manager to confirm the setup. Once confirmed, you will have successfully enabled passwordless access with Google Password Manager. To use this feature, whenever prompted for a password, look for the option to use your Authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive login requests via the app. This method enhances your account security and simplifies your login experience. You're now all set to enjoy passwordless access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.